I had a dream last night.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So guys, today's video is sponsored by Luvme Hair Company. Thank you so much, Luvme Hair Company, for sponsoring today's video. And y'all know that if you see a different background, if you don't see this background and you see a different background, you know that it is December and we are out and about. And guess what, guys? I'm out and about with Luvme Hair, okay? I packed my wigs, okay? Like, guys, I want to switch it up this December. I want to look so good. So I am going to show you guys what Luvme Hair sent me. Thank you so much, Luvme Hair, for sponsoring today's video. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information, and of course for direct links to purchase this hair that I'm about to show you, okay? And I also have a discount code for you guys. It is Manaso23, and you're going to get some coins off, okay, when you purchase any hair from Luvme Hair Company. All right, okay, yeah. So this is their box, guys. It is purple and silver. It looks really lovely, okay? Like, it is giving Christmas present situation. So I'm going to do an unboxing so that you know exactly what to expect when you purchase hair from Luvme Hair Company, okay? So the first thing that you're gonna get, the packaging is amazing, okay? And I traveled with this wig, okay? It traveled to come to South Africa, and again I traveled around with this wig in South Africa, and it still looks really good. The first thing that you're gonna get is, you know, a little love note. I call it a love note from Helena, the founder of Luvme Hair Company. It is written, "We know switching it up is everything, so unbox the love," and that's what I'm doing, okay? So before I show you the gorgeous wig that we are dealing with today, I am quickly going to show you all the nice goodies that they sent me. Excuse the birds outside, okay? It is December, everybody's happy, okay? So they were kind enough to send me this nice wig storage bag, 2 wig caps, and these wig caps are HD wig caps, so I really appreciate that, okay? And they were kind enough to send me this Luvme Hair brush. It is an ash brush. It's a 2-in-1 situation. And then my personal favorite, guys, you can never have too many combs, and they send me this nice comb, and baby, it is branded, period, okay? So now my favorite part of this video is unboxing unboxing this wig, baby. I am loving the curls. They are absolutely gorgeous. First of all, the wig is lightweight. Number one, the wig is lightweight. This is a water wave wig, and it has bangs. So if it has bangs, it means, baby, it is like, you know, there's beginner friendly, but there is beginner friendly, and this wig, it is beginner friendly, because you do not have to cut anything. All right, it has a nice lace. You know, they make it so natural. I love Luvme Hair bangs, guys. They literally bleach, you know, that little lace. Look at this lace. It is nicely bleached. It is bleached. Look at that, guys. How natural is that? Okay, I am so obsessed with this wig. It is lightweight. It is super hot outside, so this is the perfect wig for the girlies, okay? I love the curls. Let's see, we gotta shake them, okay? And they are moving. This is absolutely gorgeous. So this wig has about 3 combs. It has an adjustable band, and again 2 other adjustable bands, okay, so that, you know, you can adjust your wig according to your liking. So I'm just adjusting the belt so that rather the band, so that it can fit me properly. And yeah, wow, good. Yes. Oh my gosh, this is absolutely beautiful. I love it, guys. Look how natural it looks. Look at that. This looks so natural. The curls are nice and soft. They are bouncy when I shake. Oh my goodness, it is so beautiful. I love it. I'm the girl I think I am, period. I love this so much. So guys, right now I'm going to use this olive oil ORS mousse. Just to, the curls are already nicely defined, but I just wanna, you know, style this wig according to my liking. And look how easy it is, okay? Just to tame down some flyaways. And yeah, look at that, look at that. I'm already loving how it looks. You can actually wear this wig when you go to gym if you don't want to do a lot in the morning with glues and sprays and da 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 da. This wig literally is going to be your best friend, okay? I feel like this wig, whether it's summer, whether it's winter, I'm imagining this wig with a turtleneck, you know, or a polo neck, and I will still be looking really, really gorgeous. I'm imagining this wig. Look, I'm looking very pretty right now, okay? I'm wearing a summer dress. I'm looking real cute, but you can still wear it in summer. You can still wear it in spring. You can literally wear this wig with a very elegant dress, okay? I'm really, really obsessed with it, guys. Look how beautiful this wig is. It bounces, it moves, and this wig is completely dry. I did not use a lot of mousse, and I'm happy, guys. I'm really, really happy. So this is at the end of today's video, guys. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information, and of course for direct links to purchase this gorgeous wig from Luvme Hair Company. I also have a discount code for you guys. It is Manaso 23, and you're going to get yourself some coins off, okay? So you can use that discount code on the Luvme Hair website, and you can purchase any wig that you like, but get yourself this wig. Look how I look, so beautiful. I look really, really good, okay? I'm happy, guys. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, bye guys.